Well, guess what? 10 minutes into my test drive, the car with the brand new fuel pump and the rebuilt carburetor all of a sudden decided to quit. And maybe it was the flow, maybe it's something. Took off the fuel line, cranked the engine, no gas spraying out. Can you believe it? Okay, so I took the fuel line intake directly for the fuel line, fuel pump to the fuel gas tank. Crank that thing and I still have 0 fuel pressure. So you remember my video where I said, hey, I would choose this Delphi fuel pump because look at how great it is. It didn't even make it 10 miles. I don't know what's going on, but this fuel pump's coming off and I'm gonna try a different one. 24 hours later, I've got the Jags fuel pump, that it's a Carter brand fuel pump. I went ahead and mounted that after work. And I didn't want to rob you of this. I was just about to fire it up. Now I'm going to fire it up. I went ahead and grabbed the camera. Let's do this. Let's see how long this pump lasts. From experience, I'll say much better than the Delphi pump. The Delphi pump was only a few pounds of pressure. This one's almost too much pressure, but maybe it'll simmer down in a little while. He's back on the road.